southeastern St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, northwestern St. Martin Parish in south central Louisiana, until 3 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:39 p.m. Central Daylight Time, emergency management reported thunderstorms produced heavy rain in Cecilia, Henderson, and Breaux Bridge. Between 6 and 9 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts up to 1 inch are possible in the warned area. Flash flooding is already occurring. Hazard: flash flooding caused by thunderstorms. Source: emergency management reported. Impact:
Management reported thunderstorms produced heavy rain in Cecilia, Henderson, and Breaux Bridge.
and other passes
Between 6 and 9 inches of rain have fallen.
Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Breaux Bridge, Arnaud Hills, Henderson, Cecilia, Atchafalaya Welcome Center, and parks. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most flood deaths occur in vehicles. Stay away or be swept away. River banks and culverts can become unstable